So Dawn Outreach is a very empowering and informative program that seeks to empower holistically children from all ages, from as early as 2 years to 18 years, to encourage them to grow spiritually, physically, even emotionally and mentally. So we usually use media productions to encourage these kids. Since we're living in a society right now that's very influenced by media, it's only right to use this media to shape them in the right direction. So we have movies like Tough Choices and The Promise of Love that looks at very diverse topics that are affecting our young people today. We have teenage pregnancies, we have peer pressure, we have drug and substance abuse, and these are all things that we need to look at in society today to enable our young children to grow up in the right direction. So today we're at this lovely institution. It's called Bethsaida Children's Home, where we hope to also encourage and talk to these young children, be able to know where their mind space is, be able to see how they're doing in life, and be able to at least, if not change their perspective on a few things, be able to enlighten them on some issues that they might be having.